Solving algebraic equation. Solve for the variable in algebraic equations. A number increased by 8 is 24. A number is a variable that is missing. We have to find out. Let it be the number be x. Increased by 8. That means it is plus 8 is 24 is equal to 24. Here the equation is x plus 8 is equal to 24. X plus 8 is in the left hand side, 24 is on the right hand side. First method, x plus 8 in the left hand side, x is the variable and plus 8 is the constant number. To remove the plus 8, we have to apply opposite operation. That is nothing but opposite sign. Minus 8 in the left hand side. Whatever the number we will take in the left hand side, that has to be put on the right hand side also. That is minus 8. Plus 8 and minus 8 get cancelled. X is equal to 16. 24 minus 8 is equal to 16. Second method, x plus 8 is equal to 24. Plus for plus 8, opposite operation is minus 8. The constant number is plus 8 here. We have to take minus 8. That has to be transposed on the right hand side. Minus 8, x is equal to 24 minus 8, that is x is equal to 16. It's great. We got for two methods the value of x is 16. Let me verify it. So replace the value of x is equal to 16. In the place of x, we have to write 16. 16 plus 8 is equal to 24. 16 plus 8 is equal to 24 is equal to 24. The sum of a number and 32 is 47. The sum means addition. Addition of a number. We doesn't know the number. Then let it be m. And sum of a number, that is plus 32, we have to add to the variable, is 47 is equal to 47. Our equation is m plus 32 is equal to 47. Here variable is m and the constant number is 32. M plus 32 in the left hand side and 47 on the right hand side. We have to find out the m value by first method. M plus 32. To remove plus 32, we have to apply the opposite sign for 32, that is minus 32 on the left hand side. Whatever we will apply, we will put in the left hand side. We have to take it in the right hand side. The same number, that is minus 32. Plus 32 and minus 32 get cancelled. M is equal to 15. 47 minus 32 is equal to 15. Second method, m plus 32 is equal to 47. Opposite sign for plus is minus, minus 32 Then transpose it to the right hand side directly. M is equal to 47 minus 32. M is equal to 50. M is equal to 15. It's great. We will verify. Verification. Replace the value of M is equal to, we got the answer 15. So 15 plus 32 is equal to 47. 15 plus 32 is 47 is equal to 47. 7 less than a number is 25. 7 less, that is subtraction, minus 7. Less than a number, that is variable, we doesn't know, we have to find out, let it be y, is 25, is equal to 25. Our y minus 7 is equal to 25 is our equation. First method, y minus 7. Here minus 7 is the constant. We have to remove it. For that we have to apply opposite sign, that is plus 7. And plus 7 has to be written on the right hand side also. Then minus 7 and plus 7 get cancelled. Y is equal to 25 plus 7 is 32. Y is equal to 32. Second method, y minus 7 is equal to 25. Now, for minus 7, we have to apply opposite sign, that is, for minus, we have to take plus 7, transpose it to the right hand side, or shift to the right hand side, that the plus 7 to the right hand side. Then y is equal to 25 plus 7. Y is equal to 32. We got same answer for both methods. Let us verify our answer. Verification. Y minus 7 is equal to 25. Replace y by 32. 32 minus 7 is equal to 25. 25 is equal to 25. We got the same answer on both sides. The difference of a number and 8 is 50. The variable is here y. The difference number is 8. That means subtract 8 minus 8 is 15. Is 15 is equal to 15. The equation is y minus 8 is equal to 15. Y minus 8 is in the left hand side. 15 is on the right hand side. Y is variable. Minus 8 is constant. And we have to apply opposite operation. For minus 8, opposite operation is plus 8. And the same number plus 8, we have to take it on the right side also. Then minus 8 plus 8 simply get cancelled. 15 plus 8 is 23. Y is equal to 23. Let me try second method. Y minus 8 is equal to 15. Opposite operation for minus 8 is plus 8. Transpose or shift to the right hand side, the same plus 8. Then y is equal to 15 plus 8. Y is equal to 23. Let me verify. our answer y is equal to 23. Replace y and put it 23 in the place of y. 23 minus 8 is equal to 15. 23 minus 8 is equal to 15 is equal to 15. We got same for both sides. Twice a number is 22. Your variable is let it be b and twice the top number is 2b. 2 times b is 22 is equal to 22. B is equal to 22 is our equation. First method, 2b is equal to 22. 2 into b, multiplication. For multiplication, opposite operation is division. That is 2 by 2. On the right hand side also by 2. 2 get cancelled. 2 ones, 2 11s. That is b is equal to 11 is our answer. The second method, 2b is equal to 22. Then transpose 2 to the right hand side. It is in the left hand side multiplication, it will become a division. Cancel it. 2 ones, 2 11s. b is equal to 11. It's great. We got same answer for both methods. Let me verify our answer. 2b is equal to 22. Replace b with 11. 2 into 11 is equal to 22. 2 11 ja 22 is equal to 22. On both sides we got the same answer. Is it not great? N divided by 7 is 11. N divided by 7. N is the variable divided by 7 is 11 is equal to 11. Here n by 7 is equal to 11 is our equation. N by 7 is in the left hand side, that is in division form. We have to apply opposite operation. For division, multiplication into 7. First method, n by 7 multiplied by 7 on both sides. Simply 7 get cancelled. N is equal to 11 into 7 is equal to 77. Let me try second method. N by 7 is equal to 11. So simply transpose 7 to the right hand side. It is in the form of division in the left hand side. It will become multiplication on the right hand side. N is equal to 11 into 7 is equal to 77. Let me verify our answer. Verification. N by 7 is equal to 11. Replace n by 77. 77 by 7 is equal to 11. 7 1 ja 7, 11 ja 11 is equal to 11. Both sides we got the same answer. Is it not excellent? Twice a number decreased by 5 is the sum of 9 and 2. Twice a number, that is 2y, decreased by 5. Decreased means subtract by 5 minus 5 is the sum of 9 and 2. Sum means addition is equal to 9 plus 2. 2y minus 5 is equal to 9 plus 2 is our equation. 2y minus 5 is equal to 9 plus 2 is equal to 11. We have to eliminate or remove minus 5. For that, we have to apply opposite operation, that is plus 5 for minus 5. 2y minus 5 plus 5 is equal to 11. On the right hand side also we have to take plus 5. Then minus 5 and plus 5 get cancelled. 2y is equal to 16. Now it is in the multiplication form. Then what we have to do? In that we have to apply division, that is by 2 on the left hand side. The same way on the right hand side also. 2 get cancelled. Y is equal to 8. Let me verify the answer. Verification. 2y minus 5 is equal to 11. 2 into 8. The y value we got is 8. So replace it. 2 into 8 minus 5 is equal to 11. 2 8 is 16 minus 5 is equal to 11. 16 minus 5 is equal to 11. On both sides we got the same answer. A number plus the product of 3 and 4 is 28. A number plus, we doesn't know the number, that is the missing number, variable, let it be a plus. The product of 3 and 4, the multiplication of 3 and 4 is 28 is equal to 28. A plus 3 into 4 is equal to 28 is our equation. A plus 3 into 4, 12 is equal to 28. Here plus 12 is the constant. We have to remove it. For that we have to apply opposite operation for plus minus 12 on both sides. So a plus 12 minus 12, 28 minus 12. Plus 12 and minus 12 get cancelled. A is equal to 16. 28 minus 12 is equal to 16. Let me verify our answer. Verification. A plus 12 is equal to 28. 16 should be written in the place of A. 16 plus 12 is equal to 28. 16 plus 12 is equal to 28 is equal to 28. On both sides we got same answer.